going to be right here by the bell. I'm going to lift you up. Ready? 1, don't ring it. 2, 3. Are you going to don't ring it yet? You going to stand out?
Speech.
Okay, so Maya, we are so happy to celebrate with you today. You get to ring the bell 5 times since you're 5 years old, okay? Have you ever seen this bell? It's really loud and really heavy, so you gotta pull it good. Okay? Should we help you count? What do you think? Are you ready? All right, whenever you're ready. All right. Go ahead. You grab this. Yep, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we are going to go talk about you now. Okay? Come on. We get to go talk about you. All right, we're going to scoot back to where we were because there's a lot of people who want to say lovely things about you. You ready? Everyone here loves Maya. Maya, you are surrounded by so many people who love you and are so happy to be celebrating with you today. So we would like to take a few minutes to allow people to say some words about Maya. And we're going to let the best dressed costume okay?
This was the only one I could get in 2 days on Amazon Prime. Maya, I remember, you don't remember, but I remember when you were a little tiny girl and I first met you and you were sick and your parents were so scared and everybody was here because they were worried about you and you had cancer. And today, you don't have cancer. It's all gone. Yay! So, you have been super brave, super strong. You're always a joy to see in the clinic. You're always fun. There's always surprises. So I'm glad that we don't have to say goodbye. We still get to see you, but I'm super glad we don't have to give you any more chemo. Way to go, Maya.
Dr. Rock, nurses?
Maya, you definitely are the hand of the office, that's for sure. You like to challenge us nurses in accessing you, but that's quite all right. We like a challenge and we're always up for it. So I'm so glad that you're here and better and love the smile on your face.
I am very excited that I don't have to call Mom every week now. And then I just get to see you when you come in for good, happy visits because you're feeling good. Congratulations.
Well, Maya, I did not have the pleasure of knowing you from the very beginning, although from some of the stories that I heard, maybe that's a good thing. I think you gave Jill a run for her money, but I have loved knowing you for the past year and getting to play games with you and have fun with you and hang with you at Camp Rainbow. I think you are just the most fun little girl and you have an awesome family. I've loved getting to know them, and so I'm glad that I get to just kind of see how you're doing, and I can't wait to see what you do with your life because you have some spunk and determination, and I know you'll be able to do anything you want to do. So I'm happy to be here today.
I just want to say thank you to everyone, and if you haven't had a chance to read Maya's shirt, I think it kind of says it, well, says it all. So, Maya, do you remember what it says? Why cancer never stood a chance. Maya is the boss. Dr. Rob is
the boss.
And we have wonderful, awesome nurses, wonderful family, and the best cancer center ever. And I really mean that because this cancer center is unreal, and you guys incorporate the whole family, and we so appreciate that because it's not. I don't know that they do that everywhere. You walk in here and it doesn't feel like you're getting treated. So thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just thank you.
Maya, what about you? Anything? You want to say anything to your doctors and to your nurses and Miss Laura and everyone here? No, thank you.
Are you ready for cake, Maya?
Cake time.
Are you ready?